finally, the Samba variation that I'm very much interested with, the XLG version. What's new on this pair is actually the gum soles. Retailing at 130 euros, let's see what's inside the box. Straight away, you will be greeted by separately wrapped sneakers, which is ADIDAS usual presentation. And fortunately, there's no extra laces, but I have to admit, these are some nice vintage, but with a modern touch sneakers. True story, I was really planning to jump on the Samba bandwagon last year, but there's always one thing that's holding me back about the Samba OG, which is the thin midsole and outsole. But this XLG version, it's a different story now. The XLG version is like Sambas in steroids. Obviously, the sole is much thicker than the OG, which I'm not really a fan of because it's giving me football or soccer cleats vibe. I mean, there were really soccer trainers in the mid-50s. The Samba XLG features a leather upper with suede overlays and gum rubber sole. But actually, my favorite part of the shoe is the padded retro oversized tongue, which in my opinion makes the shoe even more beautiful. Overall impression, materials are really good, and the build is top-notch. Quality-wise, they really felt nice on hand. They are built super sturdy because of the gum outsoles, and of course the tumbled leather makes the shoe feels premium. And since this one has a thick midsole and outsole already, I would even equate this to Nike's Air Force One. I mean, they are the direct competitor now because let's admit, Samba is one of the most best-selling sneakers and classic sneakers of ADIDAS, and it's also the same with Air Force One, one of the classic silhouette, and of course also best-selling all-time sneakers of Nike. If I need to have a sneaker that I would wear all year round, the black Samba is a good candidate, to be honest. And it's also refreshing to have a different brand of shoes in your wardrobe for a better rotation. Tried it with my favorite pants and they really not disappoint. There is also a white colorway of this, really good version, super clean, and I think that's perfect for summer and spring. It's just very unfortunate they're always sold out here in Germany, but if I can get one, I would manage to make a review about them. One of the few concerns though from Samba owners is that they're not breathable enough since they don't have any perforation, but in my case, it's not really an issue or a deal breaker. Aesthetic wise, really love complementing them with my jeans, and I can really see myself wearing this more to the office. Another thing, by the way, if you want to use this as a travel sneakers, I would not recommend it because of the hard gum outsoles, and especially if you're gonna be walking a lot or standing for a long period of time, I would say you would be better off with some Ultra Boost or Yeezys 350, something like that, with a much bouncier outsoles and midsoles. The sizing, I'm wearing true to size on this, but let me remind you that I have a narrow to small feet, and to be honest, they really feel snug straight out from the box and really feel comfortable. It's like wrapping around on your feet. But if you're a big footed or wide footed guy, I would suggest to go a half size up, since I have mentioned that they are really feeling snug straight out from the box. Really nice to have, in my collection, and also a different brand variation. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you next time. Peace.